Welcome back, everybody. This is just a video of me planing the surface of this board. Already did this surface, flat and true. Sits firm on the bench. I take my jack plane with a cambered iron and I begin working the dirty wood off. I'm not taking a very heavy cut, but way heavier than I would with my standard jack plane. So once I know I've got the dirty wood off on this end, I will move back, work the middle. If the board was much longer, I would reach for a longer plane, like a number 6, or even a 7. Not much to say in this video, except I'm so glad you're here. And watch me play. So this number 5 is nearly a straight across blade. I've got a whirly bit here, which I will get through, but it will have tear out. And that's okay. I don't know what this is going to be yet. I'm just trying to make it so that I have wood available for me or for somebody else. And to encourage you not to give up, working with hand tools, but understand your wood. Unbelievable. That's flat already. So I could leave it like this. It's measuring 7/8. And then we can see what we might need down the road. And then we can plane it accordingly. But I'm going to lighten the cut and give it just a few more passes. And for some reason, I'm feeling like it's wanting to cut a little bit heavy on the right. A little bit lighter. A little heavy on the left now. So you see, you don't have to run the whole length of a piece. You can work towards the end, and you can work towards the middle. Work your way back. And then near the end, then walk it. Flat and straight. Mark it, and you're good to go. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.